Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use protein powder for beginners. Protein powder is a popular dietary supplement, essentially a concentrated source of protein from sources like milk or plants. It's fantastic for supporting muscle growth, aiding in recovery after workouts, and helping you meet your daily protein needs. We'll cover the basics, from understanding different types like whey and casein to knowing when and how much to consume. It's a versatile tool for anyone looking to enhance their fitness journey. Knowing when to take your protein powder can significantly impact its effectiveness. Many find the best time is within 30 minutes to 1 hour after a workout to kickstart muscle repair. You can also enjoy it between meals to help manage hunger and ensure you're getting enough protein throughout the day. A standard serving is usually 20 to 30 grams, which is about 1 scoop. Remember to tailor this amount to your individual needs and fitness objectives for optimal benefits. Protein powder is incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed in many delicious ways beyond a basic shake. For a quick option, simply mix 1 scoop with about 250 milliliters of water or milk. But don't stop there. Try blending it into a smoothie with your favorite fruits, a handful of spinach, and some nut butter for a nutrient-packed meal. You can also stir it into oatmeal, yogurt, or even incorporate it into baked goods like muffins for a protein-rich treat. Get creative and enjoy. Choosing the right protein powder can feel overwhelming with so many options available. First, think about your dietary needs. If you're lactose intolerant or vegan, plant-based proteins are a great choice. Always look for products that are third-party tested to ensure you're getting a high-quality supplement free from contaminants. Whey protein is ideal for post-workout recovery due to its rapid absorption, while casein offers a slower release, perfect before bed. Select a protein that aligns with your goals and dietary preferences for the best results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.